Hey, this is Shonda from Shonda Flips. Today we're flipping a regular apple into apple slices to dehydrate. I'll show you how I'm making our favorite road snacks. Let's flip you around here. So we have one of these Farberware little easy slicers. You just put the apple on here. These edges are very sharp right there, so keep your fingers well away. And then I just take this, smoosh it down. You have to line it up pretty well, otherwise these edges get chopped. That is the only thing I don't like. It's hard to get that lined up correctly. Then you slice, 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 throw them in here with lemon. I use this liberally. I really let them just soak in there with the lemon. You can see it's a puddle of lemon juice. I love zesty apples, apple chips. Alright, I'll show you here. Apple. Here's the bottom. Put the bottom on it, get it started. It holds it. Then I just go ahead and give it another. And then I'll hold these guides because otherwise it'll be all messed up. Okay, now the guides are down. These guides are the only thing I don't like about this, because it's so easy to get it unbalanced and chop them up. Then you have plastic pieces all over. Ick. You do not want to put the seeds in, because the seeds will contain like arsenic or something. Don't eat an excessive amount of apple seeds. One every now and again is fine, but they have arsenic in it in small amounts. It's bad for you. Don't eat the apple seeds. Okay, let's continue making. So I'm using this Cabela's 12 tray dehydrator. We'll grab some of these trays and we're going to bring them over here to the station of apples. Alright, what we like to do is put cinnamon on some of them, but other ones we do not. Because my son just does not like the way the cinnamon tastes. You leave it a little bit of space around each one. Alright, now these are split to where I want to put cinnamon on half of them, a little bit more than half, and then plain ones. I love stacking it up just like this because when you put the cinnamon on, it falls down and makes a cute design. And now I have to go see what my girl's doing. So I'll make some with a little bit more cinnamon and some with a little less cinnamon. Oh, a little bit more cinnamon, sure. A little bit less cinnamon. Yeah. Get a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to put them in the dehydrator. Now with these things, you pull it out. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. And then you let the door close them in, so it doesn't touch the fan in the back at all, and it won't make sounds. Okay, time. and then it turns on. And now it's going. And they're so hungry, I guess. Making all the sounds. Hi, Dozer. Hi, baby. Hi, Teeter.